Hi, I'm April Patterson with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, here to talk with you today about the periodic CERP update. A periodic CERP update is an evaluation of the plan, the Comprehensive Everglades Restoration Plan, that's conducted periodically to ensure the goals and purposes of the plan are achieved, with any new or updated modeling that includes the latest available scientific, technical, and planning information in accordance with the programmatic regulations, 33 CFR Part 385. The CERP update is not intended to be a modification report, and it will generate information about the quantity of water that will be generated by the plan. The results of the plan may be used to initiate management actions and to inform interim goals and interim targets. Those are done routinely by Recover, Restoration Coordination and Verification, about the ecological goals and the water supply targets for CERP. Some of the technical considerations include new information resulting from changed or unforeseen circumstances, new scientific and technical information, new or updated modeling, information developed through monitoring, future authorized changes to the plan integrated into the implementation of the plan. We are considering including updates to the period of record for the regional simulation model. The original CERP was done on the South Florida water management model, and completing the completed foundation projects information, water supply information, north, south, east, and west of Lake Okeechobee, our completed first and second generation projects, the Lake Okeechobee regulation schedule, and one of those unforeseen circumstances, the sea level change information. The Corps in South Florida have initiated this effort with the following agencies and disciplines. We've developed a team of Corps in South Florida Water Management District staff that are program managers, planners, and engineers to look at the scope of the effort and the technical needs for this evaluation, for this update. And then a subsequent technical evaluation would be performed by Recover. And we will continue to coordinate with our interagency partners, including Recover, so that they can use it for interim goals, interim targets, and for the with the DOI-led task force in accordance with the programmatic regulations. So with that, I look forward to your questions and comments, and thank you for the opportunity to discuss.